Hello, my name is Tim Cole, and I'm coming to you today with a great resource you can use for news, sports, educational purposes. It's called AL.com. All right, it's a very simple website to maneuver. I'm just here to kind of make you aware of it if you're not already aware of it. It's pretty much like the newspaper, but it has everything and more. All right. Here you can get the top stories, you get sports, everything's right here at the fingertip. You can use it on your PC or you can download the app as well, and it's free. All right. So what we do here, I just look at it sometimes and I pick up different stories. You can go here to your menu button, hit the little tab there and stroll down. You get, all of your different types of news here. You got your classified section, jobs, auto, obituary, sports, business. Like I said, it's just like a newspaper that gone digitized. All right. In today's society where everything is online, this is a great resource to have. All right. Now, you want to use it for educational purposes. All you do is go here to news, hit your little tab there, and you can go up to education. Once you get on education, it has all the educational news that's happening here in the state. As you stroll down, you can see, all the latest news. And it archives it weeks and weeks. So if you miss something today, you can come back next week, look it up. It's still there. And it just talks about everything that's happened in the school, educational wise, you know, talking about the governor signing in, a new bill. Hopefully we get in some new pre-K classes. All right. It's a great tool to have. Now you can go here, back up here, stroll up, go to business. Click on business, and it has all the Alabama business news. Talks about different stories that's happened, and like I said, it archives it, and it goes back weeks. You stroll down, it goes back weeks. Talks about all the latest news. Now, me personally, I go on, I look at the educational, go to that section, and then I go down, I look at sports. Not only does it has, national sports, NBA, and they also have local stuff. All the colleges, most of the colleges in Alabama is going to headline. Of course, it's always going to headline, Alabama and Auburn because they're the bigger universities in the state. But if you see here in the tab, it talks about everything. It talks about the SEC, the Southeastern Conference, even high school. I enjoy looking at the high school stuff. You can click on the high school stuff, and it tells you, all the latest news about high school. You can even go up and click on it and kind of get more specific, and you can pick out the different sport. Click on it here, you go to sports, click your little arrow there, stroll down. You got out, like I said earlier, it talks about Alabama and Auburn. Then you go here, you got other Alabama colleges. All right, that's a great tool to have. Then you got real estate. Click on the real estate button here, and it'll pop up, and it talks about the different, properties for sale. Talks about the agents, the real estate agents, and all that kind of stuff. So it's great to have. It's a great tool to have. Look at, if you're on the go, you don't have time to sit home and watch the news, you can just click on it. AL.com, free, totally free. Classifieds, auto sales. You want to find a car, you go here. Great tool. You should look it up. Try it. It's great. You'll love it. AL.com. Thanks.